Python collections or the alternative of arrays. Okay, so there are 4 collection data types in Python programming language. List is a collection which is ordered and changeable, allow duplicate members, and specifically whenever we need arrays to implement a data structure or abstract data type, we will definitely be using lists. Okay, so throughout paper 4, we will be using lists. Tuple. Sometimes it is called tuple or tuple, whatever. Tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable, allow duplicate members. So we will hardly be using it. We will not be using it. Our emphasized topic would remain list. Okay. Whereas set and dictionary. Set is a collection which is unordered and unindexed, no duplicate members. This is part of P3. So this will go as theory topic because it will be the part of P3, but we will still be doing some programming for it so that you could understand it thoroughly. But remember, set and dictionary are part of P3. So whatever the question that you would see will be in P3 theoretically, not practically. So, and dictionary. Set is a collection. Set is the same as we do in mathematics, set theory, union, intersection. All the set theory operations can be applied over the sets in Python or the sets collection. Dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable, and indexed, no duplicate members. What does it mean? If we are using, let's say, an English dictionary, what we do look for, we look for what? A word. And then what do we need by looking into that word? We need to see the word's meaning. So every dictionary has got a collection of what? 2 things, the word and meaning, word and meaning. Same idea applies over here. Whenever we work with this collection, whenever we enter the data in 2 parts, word meaning, and then we look for the word and dictionary returns as the meaning. We will look into it maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe next week, whatever, but we have to, because there is a topic called user defined data types in P3, and we will have to cover that topic. I will try my best to cover that topic with it. Okay? When choosing a collection type, it is useful to understand the properties of that type. Choosing the right type for a particular data set could mean retention of meaning, and it could mean an increase in efficiency or security. So you might have a question, you might have a situation where we need to decide upon which collection should we use over here. Fortunately, paper 4 is not that advanced, or the questions are not that advanced that you would have to choose for it yourself. Rather, the question describes it itself, that what sort of Python collection do we need to use.